It's breathtaking, isn't it?
Feels like a heavy haul today.
Wait for me, Julian. Did we get the big ones?
Look at all the crabs.
They're magnificent.
I've never seen so many.
We're almost there, Julian. I hope Babushka made her famous pumpkin pie.
Slow down, Oliver. The cottage isn't going anywhere.
Welcome back. The water was kind to us today. Look at this color, Oliver. This is liquid gold.
The prawns are perfect this season, sweet and firm.
It smells like the ocean, but butterier. This looks amazing. I'm so hungry.
Go ahead and eat up, you two.
Thank you for the meal.
To the sea and to family.
This soup is amazing. Can I have more crab, Grandma?
Of course, dear. Eat all you like.